Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We wanted to update some older videos, so this video is on the original Benchmade Bugout, and this is in the Benchmade Blue, part number 535. Before I continue, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. So this features a CPM S30V drop point blade. And like I mentioned, this is in the blue Grivory scales. It also includes a lanyard hole and your anodized hardware here. So this is a great lightweight folding knife. And if you like the Bugout, but you're looking for something smaller, check out their mini Bugouts. They're fantastic. So this knife cost $162 with free shipping, and that's at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. And again, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. That really helps us out. If you subscribe, you're going to be alerted to new videos of new products, old products, discounts, clearance items, so on and so forth. So again, subscribe. It's not going to hurt anything, but it's going to help us out a lot. Thank you so much.